Ciao, it's Anthony Russo with Russo's New York Pizzeria. Me and Alice today are going to show you how to make chicken marsala. I'm going to use Marsala wine from Sicily. Make sure when you buy Marsala, make sure you get the dry flavor Marsala. Don't buy the sweet. I like chicken Marsala using dry Marsala wine. Very simple dish. I'm going to add portobello mushrooms in the Marsala. Okay, we'll make our sauce. We use fresh chicken breast. We're going to tenderize the chicken breast. So Alice, you ready to give it a shot? Go ahead. Pound it. There you go. So you want to pound it lightly, all the way around, get the chicken breast nice and thin. Now this dish is very simple to make. It's only going to take about 10 minutes to prepare, so it's quick and easy. There you go. Gotta pound the chicken, the saran wrap. That's nice. See? Very pretty. Nice, beautiful chicken breast. Chicken marsala, old classic Italian flavor. So I like to use portobello mushroom because it's nice and meaty. And when I slice this up like this, yes, look at that. Oh, it's pretty. Right. And we're going to saute it with extra virgin olive oil, dry marsala, and I want to use a little bit of touch of chicken stock into the dish. Let's go start cooking. You ready to make it? All right, let's do it. The first step to make a great tasting chicken scallopini marsala, you got to use the best olive oil. I use cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add some chopped garlic to the dish. There we go. Get it lightly golden brown. Now in the meantime, I'm going to get my chicken breast. I'm going to put flour on both sides. Just put it right in the pan, skillet. There we go. There you go. I'm going to lower the heat so I don't burn the garlic. We'll add a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, pinch of Italian parsley. Saute it. There you go. Pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. Scallopini marsala. This is a very classic Italian dish, very simple to make at home. And now we're going to add our portobello mushroom. We like to add portobello mushroom because it's a little more meaty and absorbs the marsala wine, the flavor of the sauce, into the mushroom as well. So when you take a bite, it's burst full of flavor. You go, wow, this tastes fantastic because the mushroom absorbs all the wine sauce in this dish. Drop of extra virgin olive oil. Go skillet. There we go. Mushroom makes this dish. Look at that, beautiful. Now we add marsala wine. Don't forget, use dry marsala so it won't be too sweet. Beautiful, look at that dish. Look at the color, it's amazing. Looks really good. I'm gonna add some chicken stock. You can make your own chicken stock or you can buy chicken stock. Saute for about 3-4 minutes. I want to add a pinch of oregano. Look at the sauce, isn't it beautiful? You see the color? Quick Italian meals, less than 10 minutes at Russo's New York Pizzeria. Here we go, look at that. Oh, wow. I can smell the marsala. This is delicious. It's an amazing sauce. You must try this. You must order this at Russo's New York Pizzeria. This is a classic chicken marsala dish. It's fantastic. I mean, it's really pleasant with the mushrooms and the garlic. It tastes delicious. Marsala wine, roasted garlic, olive oil, chicken breast, and we got the best chicken marsala. Look at those mushrooms. They're beautiful. It's a classic chicken marsala with portobello mushrooms. Topped with thyme parsley. Voila, this is done. Wow, this looks great, Alice. Look at that. This is a beautiful chicken marsala dish. This brings me back to Italy, right? Here's the portobello mushroom. If you like our recipe, visit our page, please subscribe. Come by Russo's New York Pizzeria for the best pizza and Italian in town. Capisce? Ciao.